Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to edit profile on Homescape with you. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. In this page, you can see various options. Just tap on settings and then edit profile. Now perform your changes. Once you're done, tap on continue. And this is how you can edit your profile on Homescape. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos.